Ever wanted to share a PDF directly on your WordPress site without forcing your visitors to download it first? Well, today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to embed a PDF in WordPress, step by step. First, let's talk about the simplest method using the built-in WordPress editor. Open the page or post where you want your PDF to appear and click the plus sign to add a new block. Choose the file block. Now, upload your PDF to the media library or select one you've already uploaded. Once added, WordPress automatically creates a download link, but you can also choose to show an inline preview in some themes. The settings sidebar lets you customize the display, like showing the file name or a download button, super easy and no extra plugins required. If you want a more polished look or a fully interactive PDF viewer, a plugin is the way to go. For example, Embed makes it incredibly simple. Just install and activate the plugin, then add the Embed PDF block to your post. Select your PDF from the media library and you can instantly adjust how it appears, whether it's full width, scrollable, or even responsive for mobile users. This method is perfect if you're embedding multiple PDFs or want a more professional presentation. And that's it. 2 quick ways to make your PDFs accessible and interactive on your WordPress site. Whether you stick with the built-in file block or go with a plugin like Embed, embedding PDFs has never been easier. Give it a try and watch how it transforms your content instantly.